Hey guys, it's Giselle.
And Gabby.
And Julie. And Anne.
And Vivian.
And today we're making the best slime. First thing, you will need a teaspoon, a mixing spoon, and shaving cream.
Glitter glue, contact solution, and a measuring cup and a bowl.
First, measure 4 ounces of glitter.
Use the mixing spoon to get all the glitter out. Next, measure a cup of shaving cream.
Then, add the shaving cream into the bowl and mix. Make sure you mix it all well. You will know it's ready to go when it's all blue.
Now measure 4 teaspoons of contact solution.
On the 4th tablespoon, mix the solution together.
Remember to make sure to play with the slime before you enjoy it to its max.
Best slime ever!